Jai Guru, my dear student. In the last video, I have explained the use of present simple. So today I am going to explain the use of present progressive. Use of present progressive. Present progressive or continuous First, before going to the topic, we will discuss why it is named so, present progressive or continuous. That means progressive means on progress. That means गोटे वर्क चालू इन on continue. So it will लिखा है continuous लिखा है और progressive में लिखा है. So before going to the use of present progressive, first of all we discuss its context or its structure. So what is its structure? Structure subject plus be verb V1 verb plus main verb ing. So this is the basic structure of a present progressive. When you make a question or negative subject plus be verb V1 plus not plus main verb ing. When you make a question be verb then subject then main verb ing. So this is the basic structure of a present progressive. And as per the subject we will use be verb. Earlier we have already discussed what is be verb. Again I am telling be verbs are is, am, are, was were for past tense and is, am, are for present tense. So according to the subject we will use as per suppose if there is a subject is I, so am. If the subject is you, we, they, then the verb is be verb is are. If the subject is he, she, it, then the be verb is each. So this is the basic structure of a present progressive. So now we will go to the use of a present progressive. Where we will use present progressive, in which context we will use present progressive. So now I am writing a sentence. My son is entering the examination hall. The exam hall. My son is entering the exam hall. Then the chief guest of the meeting the chief guest of the meeting is taking his seat on the dais. Taking his seat on the dais. Seat on the dais. Sit on the dais. D-A-I-S. On the dais. So in these two sentences, first is my son is entering the exam hall. The chief guest of the meeting is taking his seat on the dais. So when I tell these two sentences, that means the work is taking place in front of mine. But when I see the work is taking place, that means we will conclude here if an action is taking place at the moment of speaking. If an action is taking place at the moment of speaking, we will use present progressive form. Just like my son is entering the exam hall, that means ମୁଁ देखला बेले मो son enter करूछ examination hall भितर सेंती ऑडियंस माने देखुछन चीफ गेस्ट बर्तन जाके स्टेज ऊपर पहुंचली. So इतना हमर बाहर फर्स्ट यूज कोन ना if an action is taking place at the moment of speaking. So first use if an action is taking place at the moment of speaking, we use present progressive. Present progressive. So this is the first use of a present progressive. Now let us consider another use of a present progressive. It is raining raining now. It is raining now. Raining now. They were falling out. They are. So it is sentence mu लिखे. It is raining now. They are falling out. ये falling out का हम जो quarrel का phrasal हो, तो हम एक quarreling they are मतलब लिख परिवा. So it is raining now. They are falling out. They are. So ये जैसे जैसे मैं कहूँगी, मुझे तो कहनी जे it is raining now. That means the rain has started sometimes before. मो कहवा पूर्वरु आरंभ हेइछि and it's still going on. वर्तमान भी चलिछि and will continue some more time in future. तो सही क्षेत्र में मध्य प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव यूज करिवे. सेम सेकंड सेंटेंस they are falling out there means they are quarreling there. चले यार कहबार अर्थ होछि जे समान सेटा कली करछ means कली किछि समय पूर्व स्टार्ट हेइछि चलिछि आ चली पारे. तो एई सब कॉन्टेक्स्ट रे हमें व्यवहार करबा प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव. त एठी हमर यूज आसिला कोन if an action use if an action has taken place sometimes before now and will continue for some more time we will use present progressive or present continuous tense. If an action has taken place sometimes before now and will continue for some more time, in such context or in such situation we will use present progressive form of the verb. So then come to the another point, another use of present progressive. My brother is teaching history in a English medium school. He is English medium school this month. Then number 2.2 number example. He is going to school by bus this week. So here I have written two examples. My brother is teaching history in an English medium school this month. Then he is going to school by bus this week. So in this sentence we will mark these two terms, this month and this week. It expresses that it is not his usual task of teaching history, but for due to some reason he is teaching history only for this month. Like that, he is going to school by bus this week. That means usually he doesn't go to school by bus, but this week he is going. That means change in a habit. This sentence for a temporary period of time. That means my brother is teaching history in an English medium school this month means एही month टा पाइका से इंग्लिश पढाउछु ठीक से बडी एही वीक पाइका से बस रे जाउ. So it is temporary action. So here we have concluded another point or use of present progressive, that is if for temporary action use number 3 for temporary action or an action taking place for a short period of time this form. We use present progressive or present continuous form. So points of for temporary action जोटा आपने temporary period रो अल्प समय में करा जोटा usual task नुके से क्षेत्र में हम यूज करिबा present progressive form. So till now we have concluded three uses of present progressive. Then another use of present progressive. My father is writing a novel. My father is writing a novel. My father is writing a novel. Mr. Das is constructing a building over there. Mr. Das is constructing a building over there. So in these two sentences, now mark the use of present progressive. My father is writing a novel. Then Mr. Das is constructing a building over there. It doesn't mean that when I am telling that my father is writing a novel, यार अर्थ होची जे मो बापा को नोवेल का काम चली छी but it has not completed yet. किंतु एपर्यंत काम सरी. That means my father is in the middle of the action or has just started the action of writing the novel like this. So again, second come to the second sentence. Mr. Das is constructing a building over there. Mr. Das गोटे बिल्डिंग तैयारी करछन. यार अर्थ न जे मु जेतले कहूची सेतले छोटे बिल्डिंग तैयारी करछन. ताकर बिल्डिंग तैयारी काम चली छी जोटा कि एपर्यंत कंप्लीट हे. ताले एतु हम गोटे पॉइंट पाइले if an action is taking place but has not completed yet and not necessary at the moment of speaking. ako we conclude kariba lekhiba. If an action is on progress but not necessary at the moment of speaking. At the moment of speaking. एठी कोन होला ना if an action is on progress गोटे कार्य चली छी but not necessary देखो necessary नो जे मो कहिला बेले कामटा चली छी कामटी सरी नाही the work is on progress. So से context रे हमें व्यवहार करिवा present progressive form. सेतना पॉइंट्स नाम दिया गेला if an action is on progress but not necessary at the moment of speaking, we use present progressive or present continuous form of the verb. Then come to another point, another use of present progressive. Summer has set in, it is getting hotter day by day. Summer has set in, it is getting hotter day by day. It is getting hotter day by day. Then another example. Population of our country is rising up day by day. So in these two examples, we will first come to summer has set in. Set in begin of the verb use करें. Summer has set in. Summer start ही गई. Summer आरंभ ही. So it is getting hotter day by day. तेनो दिन को दिन गरम होबारे लागे. It is getting hotter day by day. Second example, population of our country is rising up day by day. आम देशर लोक संख्या दिन को दिन बढ़िबार लागे. ताले ए दुटा का सेंटेंस आपको एक्सप्रेस करूची सम चेंजिंग सिचुएशन. चेंजिंग सिचुएशन ताले ए दिन हम जेतो सिचुएशन ता चेंज होची ग्रेजुअली गोटे कोनोसी दिन दिन को दिन परिवर्तन होतिबो चेंजेस होतिबो ताले सेही जगह में व्यवहार करिबा प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव. ताले एतो हमर पॉइंट्स आरंभ होला. We use present progressive for changing situation. we use present progressive for changing situation. We use present progressive for changing situation. एक जगह होता changing situation तले यार अर्थ कोन ना गोटे जिंस दिन को दिन परिवर्तन होतो दिन को दिन किछ ना किछ चेंजेस तादर आसुथिबो तो सेही क्षेत्र रे हमें व्यवहार करबा जेमति कि मु कहि परिया सिचुएशन ऑफ कोरोना पैंडेमिक इज बिकमिंग वर्स डे बाय डे दिन को दिन तार सिचुएशन खराब होबा तले एठी गोटे चेंजिंग सिचुएशन आसे तले चेंजिंग सिचुएशन क्षेत्र रे हमें यूज करबा प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म. Then another example we will discuss. What is that? He is always losing his keys. He is always losing his keys. He is always losing his keys. My scooter is always giving me trouble. My scooter is always giving me trouble. Is always giving me trouble. So let's consider these two examples. He is always losing his keys. My scooter is always giving me problem. ताले एई एक्शन रा काम को भल लागो जदि सब बेले गोटे लोक तारा की को लूज हरैबो तापर से सब बेले जदि मो व्हीकल का किछ प्रॉब्लम दबो सो डू यू लाइक इट वी डोंट लाइक सच सिचुएशन सो इट आप कोन गोटे अनप्लीजेंट एक्शन बा गोटे इरिटेटिंग कंडीशन बा इरिटेटिंग वर्ड सो एई क्षेत्र रे मध्ये हम प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव व्यवहार करिया तो हियर वी कंक्लूड डिराइव अनदर पॉइंट for irritating action or for unpleasant action for unpleasant action we use unpleasant or irritating action or irritating action. So irritating action we use present progressive. Present progressive form of the verb. So that's all the use of present progressive that we have discussed. First hochi after a recap karwa if an action is taking place at the moment of speaking we use present progressive form. Another thing is if an action started for some times before and is continuing and will continue for some more time, in that context we will use present progressive. Then another point is if an action is taking place for a temporary period of time or for a short period of time, we will use present progressive. Then another point, if we are in the middle of the action, if one work is going on but not yet completed, in such situation we will use present progressive. Then another point is some changing situation. If the situation is changing day by day or gradually, in such context we will use present progressive. Then another thing is for the action which is unpleasant or irritating, जोटा हमको unpleasant लगेगा हम irritate करिवो से क्षेत्र रे मध्ये हम present progressive यूज करे. So that's all the use of present progressive. I hope you all will understand it. So in the next class we will discuss the use of present perfect and present perfect progressive. So before concluding, I am telling you some verbs are there that cannot be used as a present progressive, just like the verbs of possession, then liking, disliking, sense of perceptions. Then another thing is sense of perception, mental activity, then thinkings, appearances and others. एमती केते गुडे फॉर्म अछि जो भरबा एते दिनस हमें न डिस्कशन न करी कि हमें शॉर्ट रे को कहि देबा सम फिजिकल सेंस वर्ड करे जोना हम इनर और आउटर फीलिंग्स रहउछि जोटा हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे पढ़ितले जे से जेमति कि सी लव अंडरस्टैंड हियर रिकॉग्नाइज रिकॉल ए सब वर्ब गुडी थिले आमे से प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव न करी से गुडी को हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे लिखिबा सो दैट्स ऑल द यूज ऑफ प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव